Hey, hello, it is Friday. It's about 8:45 at night on the Sea of Japan on our boat. Had some issues. We left out of Busan a day late due to winds. We left under really ideal sailing conditions. Like about a day into it, we wind up hitting a dead calm, which was the calm before a really freakish storm. So, like 150 miles out of Busan, we found a little island, Ulleong. We just pulled in, and the local Koreans were really helpful to us, including the police, which is really cool considering we were actually there illegally because none of the Russians had a visa to be there. And let's see, today I'm having a little bitty bout of seasickness, but I'm okay. I'm going to go up the forward cabin. Let's take a look and see what it looks like right now. We're sailing in, there's 3 crews of 3. We sail 8 out. Each cruise sails 8 hours a day. We break that in 4 hours twice. My shift is from 2 to 6 during the day, and 2 to 6 and at night or the early morning. Let's take a look. As you can see, we're moving. We got out. We were under ideal conditions again, but we hit a dead calm, so we're actually running on engine diesel power right now for as long as our gas lasts. So I guess we got another at least 300 miles to go to Vladivostok. Anyway, let me show you what's going on here. I'm in the forward portion of the boat. Under it, there's a little bathroom right there. And let's see who's here. Oof. There's one of my partners right there. There's okay. We're on the navigation. Okay. There's the old kitchen area right over there. You can't go fishing. Kitchen over here. Hello, Rosta. Another word. Ravi. Okay, another bedroom back there. Let's go up top. We got.
Hey, how's you?
Hello, I'm okay, guys. Alright, there's the main man, Serge. There's Major Vladimir. And there's the captain. And let's see where we are. The sun's going down. And as you can see, we are in the middle of nowhere. So where's Vladivostok? That way. All right, guys. Oh my God, 3,000 meters. That's scary.